Buenas mi gente, aquí estamos en Ciales, Puerto Rico. Hello everyone, we are here in Ciales, Puerto Rico. We are going to check out an amazing waterfall from what I've seen. It's called Las Delicias in Ciales, and we really want to check this place out. So if you want to see it, if you want to check it out, make sure that you are watching this video and you continue watching it. Like always guys, remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching this video on Manny Pagan Travel. Let's check it out. So when you get here, you're really not going to see a sign. You're not going to see absolutely anything except this. All right, so it is the flag of Puerto Rico on here. So you definitely want to be careful. Okay, that was interesting. Trying to interrupt my video. But anyways, you're going to see the flag of Puerto Rico. And you have this little river here. But what you want to do is you want to go this way. All right, so that's where we're gonna start our hike, and we're gonna check it out. All right, so that wasn't so bad to just get into this area, but it might get a little more challenging. But wow, you can see the waterfalls already from here. Look at that. That's beautiful. But we're gonna transition to the left and go up this way to get to the bigger one. But we practically got this place to ourselves right now, so that's pretty cool. All right, so we went up here and it's perfect. It's like you could really cross through. Oh, this is really pretty. It's absolutely gorgeous. All right, so we're going this way. The water is not really covering these rocks right now, so it makes it pretty easy to walk to the other side. I've seen where it's worse, so just be careful with that. All right, just be very careful coming up here. Wow, that's beautiful. Guys, that is beautiful. I've been to many waterfalls, but this one is one of the most beautiful I've ever seen in my life. It's spectacular. Spectacular. And as you can see, I'm in the peak of summer, July 4th weekend, whatever you want to call it. There's nobody here, there's just one couple here. It's insane. And this is some of the best I've seen, like I said. Now let's go to the water so that way you guys can see this waterfall from a different view. Water is nice and crystal, and it's very refreshing, very cold. But in the summertime, it feels just right, as you guys should know already. Check it out. This is why we come to Puerto Rico. This is exactly why. To check all this out. Alright, so tell me, what are your overall impressions of this amazing waterfall back there?
It's cold, but it's beautiful.
Alright guys, after spending a good hour and a half here, guys, actually let me ask my wife, what do you think about it?
It's terrible, don't come here, because I want it all to myself. No, it was beautiful, it's awesome, I love it. The water is not extremely cold like normally how rivers are, and you have a great view of a waterfall. It's not deep, so there was a woman with her children here. I think it's beautiful. It's definitely come here.
It was spectacular, and now it was not just one, it was 2 waterfalls as you've seen earlier.
Yeah.
So I definitely recommend it. It's not a far hike to cut up here. You know, you do need to
make sure you wear water shoes.
Yeah, wear water shoes, some good ones, and you should be just fine. It hasn't rained the past 2 days I've been here in Puerto Rico, at least everywhere I've been to. So you know, it's pretty dry here and stuff, so it can get dangerous, like I said, if you are not careful, if you're not watching. So please be careful, but it's worth it, guys. So from Cascadas Las Delicias in Ciales, Puerto Rico, I say have a great day, have a great summer, and if you're coming to Puerto Rico, enjoy it just like we did. All right, take care, guys.